Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I just got finished doing the unboxing of the gifts that Romy had sent to me. So now I am here to do a video on that I received. This is from Fab Fit and Fun. And my girl, Purse Diva, had sent a link to me so that I would be able, if I wanted, I could order a starter kit from this company, and all I had to do was pay $5 for the shipping. So I said, hey, why not, you know? I've seen a lot of people do these subscription boxes to this particular company. And from my understanding, the products that they give you are full-size products. Now, whereas this right here was a starter box, it'll be interesting to see if the items I get are full size. So let's jump on into this box, okay? So it's a really fun looking box. This is what it looks like when I open it up. Okay, so, and you get this kind of like magazine type thing on your box is full of secrets, and we're sharing them. So let me hold it back. This is what this looks like. And yeah, so it just talks about, you know, just I guess a lot of the different products and stuff that they have. So that's that. And this right here, a note from us. And that's that. And it says, what's in the box? Total retail value, $143. And it gives you a breakdown of the items and how much each one of the items costs. So let's go ahead, like I said, and dive on into this, shall we? So, okay, this is by Spongely, and it's body wash infused buffer, and it's multi-use. So that's what the packaging looks like. So let's open it up and see what it is. So this is what it is. And now, obviously, it says benefits. Body wash buffer. It cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. It says place the sponge under water, squeeze to absorb, massage in a circular motion to cleanse skin. Squeeze out excess water after each use. Oh, that's pretty cool. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. I've never seen anything like this. But it just tells you, you know, the instructions right there. So you have multi-uses from this. So it'll be really interesting to see how many uses you get out of this. I'm going to use it, and then maybe I will do a video sharing that with you guys, because I don't know, maybe some of you guys have seen something like this. I never have. So that's the really nice thing about these boxes, is it introduces you to things that you've never heard of before. So that's really neat. And then, okay, and then inside, this is a special size limited edition. This is Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. This is nice. And this is a full size. This is 5.1 fluid ounces. So this is a big size. This is nice. I like this. I like this. Mineral hand cream. Okay, so that's what was inside of there. And then this is this here. So let's open it up. And this is, what does this say? With love from Texas. Freepeople.com. So, oh, and this is actual leather. This right here is actual leather. This is pretty. This is real leather, because that's what it says on here. Yeah, that's what it says on the, I don't know if you'll be able to see the packaging. Probably not. So, okay. So this is the eye mask. let's see what it is. This is Free People Understated Leather Starry-Eyed Travel Eye Mask. This vegan leather eye mask features a removable, non-toxic cooling insert to keep you feeling and looking refreshed. The adjustable elastic strap offers a perfect fit every time, and a charming metallic patchwork keeps you dreaming amongst the stars. So, okay, so this is pretty, I like this. This is nice. Okay. Okay, that's nice. So that's what was in there. And then the last thing that was in there is this, this is a tote bag. I'm liking this box. I really am liking this box. Like I said, you know, I've seen other people, because Maya subscribes to this. I believe Leo Lion subscribes to it. And, you know, I've seen them, a few of their videos, and I did like the stuff that they had. So this is cute. This is a tote. You know, you can take it to the beach. This is really, really nice. And it has this like pull tab right here. And it has some pockets. What I like about, now this is wipeable. This material is wipeable. So that's nice. You know, especially if you're going to be taking it to the beach and you have, you know, sunblock and stuff like that, and in case it spills, you know, a bathing suit you can put in here and keep, you know, so it won't get the bag wet. And then it has two pockets right here, a pocket right here, and I think it has two pockets. Yes, and then another smaller pocket right there. And this is really, really nice. I like this. So, so let's see. So the tote bag, you know, has the it talks about the rope handles that it has. And anyway, this tote bag is originally $54, and this infused body wash right here is $16. Where's it at? The eye mask right here is $40. And this hand cream right here is normally $33. So retail $143. And all I paid was $5 shipping, because this is a starter kit. Now, I did sign up, and so you get this box every season, so that's 4 times a year, and it is $49.99, so $50. And you know, I like everything. Everything was a full size. So I'm gonna keep the subscription, and you know, just kind of see how I like it and how, you know, how it goes. And yeah, so I just wanted to share this with you guys. Thank you, Purse Diva, for sending me the link so I can get a starter box and start this up. I appreciate that. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.